your thing. Slow-mo. I see what you did there.
You like that?
Yeah, it was
A little sweaty. I'm excited again. You know how I get.
All right.
You know how that is.
I do know. Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take a couple minutes to show you guys what comes in the box from the products you guys are buying from us today. Again, always appreciate the support you guys give us out there. We really enjoy doing these shows. Continue to like and subscribe. Hopefully we'll get to keep doing them. And
It's one of the only times I get to mess with Drew as hard as I do. I enjoy it.
It's really bothering me today.
Enjoy it.
I don't know why. But Eric's with me again today. Eric, what did you bring along?
Thanks for turning it around so that the model number's right in front of me. This is our Red Atom IC8. So it's our 8-inch round in ceiling speakers from Red Atom.
Yeah, great. Completely remodeled. The 8-inch model's new this year. Last year was just 6.5, so 8-inch is whole new kind of run. We'll get inside the box and check it out. One of the things I do want to call out, and hopefully you guys can see this up top, we do have on here kind of a promise and an installation set from the guys at Red Atom. I think this is a nice touch. Talks about the warranty on it, so if a customer does stumble upon these without an integrator, they'll know that it's actually a full lifetime warranty, but only when installed by an integrator. So that's a really nice touch up top there. It's got the instruction directions, which you obviously know, as well as some pre-wire, pre-construction mounting bracket instructions. Those are a new SKU they added in this year as well. Talks about some of the terminals and stuff like that, but we'll show you guys.
What about our French, Italian friends? How come no Chinese, Japanese, just English up here?
There's a phone number on here for Eric, and if you need it translated, just give it a call. Eric, take care of it for
Parlez-vous
you.
français, amigo. We'll take care of you.
He's good at that stuff.
That's right.
I'm not. I hope somebody tests you on that.
Oh, boy.
All right, I'm going to slide the big box over so you can get the little box.
Okay.
What do we got in the little box, Eric?
A grill. I'm going with a grill, Drew.
God, I hope it's
It's a grill!
Look
Look at this.
Why don't we talk about the grill?
Grill's fantastic. This is a nice grill. Really good grill. 8 inches.
Nice.
8-inch grill. It's got some of the backing on it, right? So it diffuses a little bit of sound, makes it sound better. Again, you've got kind of that same thing as the Sonos in ceiling that we looked about. It's got a little bit of a flex to it. So if the ceiling's not perfectly level, it will kind of match in and look nice with it.
Zero bezel too, right? Nice.
Zero bezel.
Nice
Thank
touch
you.
on that. Yeah, no problem.
Hey, we got a cutout template here. Listed and marked as a cutout template.
What's the difference between that and this?
That's a paint shield.
What's the difference?
You shield the paint with that, you cut out things with this.
That's a good point.
Thank you. Hey, Drew, on the cutout template, do you use the inside circle and trace around it, or do you use the outer circle and trace within
This
it?
is like an Oreo question, you know? Mm-hmm. Do you eat a whole, or do you eat the cream and then the Oreo?
Do you dunk?
Every dunk is one to fill, so bring your milk and cookie skills.
I don't do milk rolls.
All right, forget it.
We're getting out of here.
All right.
I use the
Sorry,
outside, by the
my
way.
fault.
Paint shield.
You wonder why we can't do this
Another
in
nice
3
piece.
minutes.
Yeah. No. Without further ado.
This is nice. It's got a lot of heft to it, too.
By the way,
Speaker.
sold in pairs. Everything we have ×2 on the bottom side.
That's right. So again, heftier. We did do a complete redesign on this, so or on the 6.5-inch, but we matched it up to the 8-inch. So we did a reinforced tweeter bridge on this, so you can actually use it as a handle when you're cutting it in. You can kind of get your hand around it, cut it in. It's got the pivoting tweeter on it. If you're familiar previously, this one moves really nicely, but it also holds in place nice. You got the 6.5-inch woofer. A couple of really cool features on this that are different than some of the normal speakers that you see. You guys might see three screws on this. What's exciting about 3 screws, Drew?
It's more than 2.
Yeah, but it's less than 4. So that's the big deal. So 3 screws, not 4 screws. You're going to save 25% of the time when you're actually screwing this thing in, screwing those
You guys
plugins
can't tell,
down.
but he actually has the math on his notebook. He literally had to put 3, not 4, equals 25% better. It's great note.
Also noted it as a quarter of the amount of time.
Oh,
Throwing a fraction in there.
wow.
So anyway, so additionally, right, so screws can be exciting. In this case, the heads of the screws are also reinforced and hardened, so you're not going to kind of twist them when you get your screwdriver in there.
That's nice.
And the threads on the screws are much more aggressive, so it takes just less spins to get it fully screwed in. Super cool.
Backside, magnet on the back, obviously pretty obvious. The terminals this year, they did a good job with the terminals on this year. They did use the post, the binding posts, instead of the little alligator clip
right.
Is that a good name?
Alligator clips work.
We're going to go with that. Dog ears on the back as well. Part numbers on the back for you guys. Magnet on the back. Overall, really nice job on the packaging.
We used more magnets on this one too, and stronger magnets.
Everybody likes more magnets.
Absolutely. Well, that way you're going to get them nice and tight. They're not going to fall off. You get a whole lot of bass. You know, some of the cheaper speakers, you see the grill fall off because it's not fully magnetized. So that's a pretty big deal. The other thing that's new with this is that tweeter that you're looking at. It's a rigid dome tweeter. So you get a lot better off-axis listening. It disperses the sound a lot better, and it gives it a better sound.
They did a much better job this year, I think, on the actual tweeter. It looks like it's pivoting nice and smoothly in there. And again, to Eric's point, they've got a ton of magnets around the outside rim here. That obviously keeps your grill on nice and tight no matter what is coming out of there on an 8-inch speaker. You definitely want to have a nice tight fit on there because obviously it's going to have more bass and more of the low-end frequencies. So great job from the guys at Red Atom. Definitely want to send a thank you out to them. Again, we are raffling off this pair of 8s. There's another one down there in the box. There is 2.
Oh,
Two that come in there.
One pair. Two each.
One pair, 2 each. Raffling them off. Got to leave your dealer number in the comments. Hope you continue to like us and our stupidity and everything that we do. All right.
That didn't go off quite like I hoped. He didn't get all scared. I thought we were going to have him jump out of his chair. It does not come with a mini air horn.
He's literally been holding that entire
That's
episode.
right.
All right.
Oh, boy.
Thank you guys again. Thank you to the guys at Red Atom for providing the speakers for the giveaway and the demo. Hope you guys enjoyed us. If you guys need anything.
If you win the raffle, I have another one. I will package it with the speaker.
We're going to package those together for you guys.
That's right.
Only on the giveaway. You will get an air horn and a speaker and
That's
as
right.
usual Eric's autograph because God knows everybody wants that. Thanks a lot, guys. See you next time.
Every dunk is one to fill, so bring your milk and cookie skills.